Okay, our first song of Unit 8 is called Mi Guitarra, where we're going to be exploring sharps a little bit more. Okay, so just to recap, remember sharps are half a step higher than the note. Just a quick recap there. Okay, so let's just recap these sharps in case you don't know them. Okay, let's have a look at the piano just to help us see. So here we've got C, C sharp, D, half a step higher is D sharp. Then we have F, F sharp, F sharp there, G, G sharp, A sharp. Okay, maybe try playing along and saying them. So for this song, we're going to be using an A major 5-finger scale. So the notes are A, B, C sharp, D, E. Okay, let's practice the A major pentascale. Let's go up and down. Then I'm going to show you how to play Mi Guitarra. Then we're going to play with the rhythm. Ready? Let's play. Now repeat. Right, we're going straight in to play with the rhythm. Get your right hand ready in an A major 5-finger scale. Ready? Let's play. Well done. Are you ready to move on, or do you want to try it one more time?